It was 5th grade when I first went to the dentist. Then that dentist discovered that I was missing a bunch of adult teeth behind my babies. So once my babies came out, there was no adult teeth.
Oh, I actually left that appointment and dropped him off at home and went to a girlfriend's and cried for hours.
We were in middle school and it was my English class. And then this girl who I had a crush on at the time just saw me and she was like, open your mouth. She was like, you don't have any bottom teeth. Every kid in class at that point started staring. Basically that led to multiple events of people just making fun of me and stuff like that. Yeah, there was a lot of those moments.
And luckily, we were able to get the Snap-on Smile at least so that he could get through high school. I am grateful for that. I know he still had many issues.
I mean, if you know what I'm working with the Snap-on Smile, you'd be like, how can he eat with these? Because they're flat, there's no edge, they're weak. My teeth came out in an apple one time, they got stuck in the apple. Anything temporary like that, it's just not possible to be, confident and to be happy because you're constantly worrying about that. So I actually learned from my mom. She had told me that there was this place that they could do teeth in the same day. I didn't really believe that because everywhere else I went to, 2-year process to do bone grafting and whatnot, so I was just like, yeah, right.
And I have seen so many dentists throughout his time, and they all are like mortified by that x-ray and the 3D scan. They're mortified. They just don't even know what to do. Dr. Richards did not do that. He looked at it and went, okay. He had no doubt. He knew he could do it.
From my perspective, he'll get traditional implants in the front, and he'll get some zygomatic implants in the back. We did one just about like this yesterday. He'll have a set of fixed teeth this afternoon without any bone grafting. He will not have to take those teeth in and out. It's going to be wonderful for him.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, I don't even feel like I'm looking at me. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so insane. Oh, wow. I don't even know what to say. I just feel like there's a different person in the mirror. The biggest part about these is not being able to take them out, not having something that can come out. Because there's so many times in my life where, they've almost fallen out and it means,
I mean, that's all gone.
so I don't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah.
I don't have to hide anything. But
So that he could live fully, feel good about himself, with confidence.
It's exciting to have that confidence and just completely change my life starting today.